Meet the Copacabana Dining Side Chair with Cushion by Ratana, sleek, sculptural, and ready to make every meal feel a little more special. Its armless silhouette keeps sight lines clean and table cape flexible, while the crisp rope detailing and tailored cushion bring a refined, modern vibe to patios, terraces, and poolside spaces. Engineered for outdoor life, the chair pairs a rust-resistant, powder-coated aluminum frame with hand-woven performance rope that's designed to handle sun, rain, and daily use. The build is commercial quality yet pleasantly lightweight, so it's easy to shift seats for extra guests or reconfigure your layout between brunch and late-night dessert. Day-to-day upkeep stays simple. A quick rinse or gentle wipe keeps the frame and rope looking fresh, while removable cushion covers make spot cleaning straightforward. Non-marking feet help protect deck and stone surfaces, and the slim profile slides neatly under most outdoor dining tables for a polished, space-smart setup. If you want a dining chair that looks elevated, feels inviting, and stands up beautifully season after season, Copacabana checks every box. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.